Well, welcome to Finance Investor Lab. Right now, MicroStrategy is trading at its biggest discount to its Bitcoin holdings ever, over 15% below the actual value of its Bitcoin. Banks are accused of shorting it heavily, and the next Bitcoin halving is coming in 2028. Today, I'll show you the exact 3 moves smart investors are making right now, step by step, beginner-friendly, no hype. Let's dive in. Macro overview. Here's the big picture as of December 2025. MicroStrategy holds over 450,000 Bitcoin worth more than the company's entire market cap right now. That means you're basically buying Bitcoin at a 15-17% discount if you buy MSTR stock. But banks like JP Morgan have been accused of heavy shorting, and there's real risk of MSCI index delisting in January 2026. On the flip side, Bitcoin halving is confirmed for March to April 2028, which historically triggers massive bull runs. Combine these 3 factors, it's a high-risk, high-reward setup. Step 1. Understand the discount play, buy the discount, but only if you believe in Bitcoin long-term. Right now, MSTR's net asset value, NAV, per share is higher than the stock price. That's rare. It's like getting Bitcoin on sale. But remember, this discount can widen if sentiment turns negative. I personally don't buy MSTR directly. I prefer holding actual Bitcoin through spot ETFs or cold storage for lower risk. Step 2. Watch the short squeeze. Risk monitor the short interest. Short sellers are betting MSTR will crash, especially with delisting fears. But if Bitcoin rallies into 2026, 2027, and MSCI keeps MSTR in the index, we could see a massive short squeeze just like 2021. Jim Chanos already closed his short position after making profit. The question is, are the remaining shorts trapped? Keep an eye on short interest data. It's public. Step 3. Prepare for 2028. Halving cycle pre-halving accumulation zone. Smart move? Dollar cost average into Bitcoin directly every week or month. Skip the leverage, skip the company risk, just stack actual BTC. Tools like Gemini, Coinbase, or Kraken make it easy. Should I buy MSTR now? Only if you're okay with 50% plus volatility. Safer, buy spot Bitcoin ETFs. What if I'm just starting? Start with $50, $100, and $100 per month into BTC. Compounding beats timing. Under 18, use a custodial account with parent help. My honest take, MicroStrategy is a high-octane way to play Bitcoin, but it's not for beginners. The discount is tempting, but delisting and debt risks are real. I'd rather own the Bitcoin itself. If this helped, smash like drop 2028 in comments. If you're stacking for the halving, I'll randomly pick one commenter next week and fund their next DCA buy. Subscribe for more no BS finance breakdowns. See you in the next one.